Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Today I'm going to be just creating a sunset and sunrise makeup look, so I hope you guys enjoy. So to create this look, I'm starting off with my Revolution London Cut Crease Maker Concealer Foundation. And I'm just going to apply it onto my lid, and then I'm just going to keep looking up to create the line to finish tracing the rest of the cut crease. And then I'm going to set it using my Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation Powder. So now I'm just going to take my makeup brush and spray it with some setting spray and just dig right into my James Charles Artistry palette. And I'm going to use the red shade, and I'm just going to go directly onto the cut crease and just start blending, blending, blending. So the sunsets I've noticed recently have been a reddish-y, orange, yellowy type of ombre color. So I decided to recreate this look for you guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what colors you've noticed in some sunsets that you've seen. So yeah, I'm just going to keep blending, blending, blending using these two shades. And I'm just going to blend them into the red. Yes, there is a lot of blending, but that's okay because we want this look to be nice and fluffy, because sunsets are just kind of spread out. So we want to make this look as authentic sarcasm as possible. So I'm just going to blend up towards my brow bone. Just going to do that to the other side as well. And just taking the yellow shade, I'm gonna just apply that onto the last bare part of the cut crease and just blend that in with the other shades. So now I'm going to apply my Tarte eyelashes in Glamazon. Love these. And then I'm just going to apply some Rimmel eyeliner, and I'm just going to use a nude lip for this look because I want the eyes to be the main focus. So I'm just going to apply this Wet n Wild glossy lipstick. And when I applied it the first time, I noticed it was kind of sheer. So I had to apply a couple of layers just to achieve the effect that I wanted. So I'm just going to keep applying more and more layers. No, just kidding. I just applied a couple. And this is the finished look for the sunset makeup look. Bet you can't guess how we're going to do the sunrise. Tick tock, tick tock. Time's up. Nope, I'm just going to apply some NYX glitter eyeliner. Just going to apply that directly onto the cut crease. And voila. We are done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe too. See you guys in my next video. Bye!